Thanks again for this opportunity to introduce you, your family, and the community to J&R Construction. Our team is small and family-oriented. We have been serving the home remodeling industry in Lexington, Owensboro, and Central Kentucky for over 15 years. We are always learning and educating ourselves on the latest trends and products to keep our clients, vendors, and trade partners informed of the best approach and options available. We strive for perfection and appreciate feedback every step of the way. Hi, my name is Jimmy McKinney. I started this business with $700 in cash and lots of answered prayers. When we first started, I was tool belt on during the day and office manager at night. Our foundation then, and still is, customer service and quality first. Our team has grown to a staff of 12 and hundreds of trade partners and suppliers, which results in impacting hundreds of thousands of families right here in Kentucky. Thanks to you, it is your business that allows us this great honor of stewardship. We are an award-winning design-build home remodeling company. Design-build is having professional interior designers to show you what your home remodeling project will look like, even in 3D, guide you in selections, and handhold you throughout the project. Then having project managers, lead carpenters, quality craftsmen, and trade partners to build and remodel your dream. We love what we do and strive to help everyone enjoy the process of home remodeling. Our services include kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, finishing basements, room additions, decks, porches, whole house remodeling, and much more. Let's hear from some of our clients.
We knew exactly what was going on because they sent us photos every day and we got emails every day. Their email system is set up so that everybody who is working on it, the project manager and the people in the office, and everybody knew everybody was getting the same messages. So it was very easy to know what was happening, to see what was happening, and to feel very comfortable about it.
We took a trip out of the country while they started. So by the time we got back, all of the tear out had been finished, and actually they'd finished the drywall as well.
This is absolutely the most painless renovation that I've ever had done. I have never had to worry about whether they were doing it right or whether they were going to be there on time. All the workmen have been absolutely fantastic. They have been so professional. It's been so nice to have people that you felt very comfortable having them in your house and just, coming in and out without having to think, oh, who is that and where are they going and what are they doing and are they doing it right? Because they have just been absolutely fantastic.
So why do we do what we do? Because relationships matter. That's why. Helping everyone enjoy the process by providing the best customer service and quality first. Thank you for allowing us to serve you, for it is your business that is the future of our company.